Hi there, Simona Cochi. We are in the backstage of the Haining Fashion Shows. We are supposed to see 2 or 3 different shows, I don't know, but this is mostly the hair and makeup area inside the beautiful frame of Museo della Scienza e della Tecnologia, and I'll show you better what's going on here. We are a little bit early so that you can enjoy these images and the atmosphere before the show. And I'm gonna say hello to the main manager. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you to everyone.
Okay, Daniel is taking care of the look of the girls. So would you like to tell us about the main features of this look today?
Yes, so we are working basically most on the texture of the hair, because the hair designer wanted to give this sense of a woman that she just coming from a long trip. So very texturized hair, very defined soft waves, just to give this sense of hair that is coming from a long trip. So very flat on the top, but very texturized on the ends.
Okay, thank you and good luck for the show.
Thank you so much, have a great show.
Okay, so you can see the girls. Hi. They are still chilled and focusing about the show. Some of them are still sleeping. See? And this is the magic hands of the hairdresser. The music is starting, and this is the sound check, and it's okay. We are gonna step here where all the stands with the girls. Name? Julia Sock is gonna wear these amazing leather jackets. You see, you can find the pic as well of the outfit and the look. There are more than, I don't know, I can guess, more than 30 models. Paulina is gonna dress like this. They have a very competitive staff to support the models to hurry up and be ready to move in the catwalk, and this is still the preparation. They are setting all things for the guest, and these are a few pieces, some machines that belongs of course to Technology Museum. And I remind you this stunning place, this place in Via San Vittore, and is another place. Here we have all the guys for the security ready, because we are supposed to have many celebrities from China. Again, more machineries from the museum. Okay, let's go back in the backstage, and we're gonna interview the creative director of the brand and 3 different chairmen from Haining City. Stay tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way, Milano Fashion Week, Haining Fashion Show. Ciao!